What up, YouTube? We out here in the MAR. We got Angus. We got Jesse. We're gonna see what Wendy's got going on.
Okay, I put the first one in, but I didn't fully tighten it.
Okay, good. But you got it going in? You can feel it like, you got about halfway in?
Yeah.
All right, good.
Okay, now this is the harder one.
Oh, you already on the second one?
Yeah.
Damn, my dude.
I know, this is what happens when you concentrate and not stand
okay.
around. Oh, shit.
Now you see why I said leave it a little loose. That way you can still move that part around a little bit and wiggle it so you can get the second one in. You see what I'm saying?
Well, I got both of them in there already.
You got them both in?
Yeah.
They about halfway in?
But this one just, the second one went all the way in, but I didn't screw it yet.
Back one of them off. Back the one that you got all the way in off. The wifey. Oh, how the wifey feeling?
It hurts.
Oh, she got severe chink eye in one eye.
Feel it. Here, you check it.
Okay, here. You taking over.
My hands are dirty.
Don't matter. Mechanic camera. Alright. No, that wasn't in.
Yeah, what? I didn't do it?
No. They're close. I can pull them right back out with my fingers.
Yeah, you told me not to tighten it. So I stopped tightening it.
You weren't tightening it at all. It's okay though.
At least they're in there.
You got them in the holes, thank you.
Okay, so you want me to tighten it?
No, I want to make sure that they're going in their proper locations.
What the hell, Chris?
Before we strip shit out.
Oh, why are we?
We don't want to strip anything out. Because
what do you mean?
If we strip these things, we're fucked.
Oh.
We are fucked.
So you want me to wait?
We're fucked.
What?
No, not right now.
Oh, okay. Okay, shit. Damn it.
Calm down.
Okay, what are we doing next? Okay.
I've got one started.
What do you mean you got one started?
It's going in.
Oh, you're doing that while you're talking to me?
Yes.
Oh.
That's why I was saying, use your mind's eye.
Oh, okay. Okay.
Do you know how to see with your hands?
Yes, I could do it now. See, that one's the bitch right there.
Kinda. That was the first one to get off, and it was easy to get off, but it's a fucking turd to get in.
Oh, no, I did that one last. I was like, my hand hurts.
The one closest this way?
Yeah.
Yeah. It was easy to get out, though.
Yeah, I bet, but it's really hard. It was really hard to put in. I had to, like, break my fingers.
Oh, come on. Come on.
You can do it. We got it?
No, we don't. I was gonna say, don't count your fucking sheep yet. Like I said, the key to doing this shit.
Is this the hardest part?
The hardest part of what? This whole job?
No.
Or your car, period?
My car, period.
It'd be a lot better if the motor was out of the car. It's up against the firewall. That's what makes it such a bitch.
Yeah, but it would take forever to take everything out. Can I see?
Okay. So, let's take this fella right here.
And look.
Yep, and then take this light.
Did you ever use this for your mouth?
No. That's for mechanical stuff. Look, use your left hand. You see your new part?
I'm trying. Oh, yeah. let's see. There's the screw. It's not screwed in yet. And then I'm trying to look at the other one.
Okay, so go to the right a little bit more and you'll see it.
No, I see the first one.
Okay, the other one is
Or
to
maybe
the
that
right
is
and
the
down.
first one, huh? Wait, I can't see her.
Just use this as a reference. There's your first one. Your other one is to the right and down.
I can't see it. It's like in the way. Okay,
Okay.
so I see the first one.
This one right here is for sure in.
Yeah,
This
I
one
can't
right
see
here,
that one. Yeah, I see that one.
I believe it's in.
Okay, there's that one, and then it's just at the bottom. Like, it's all the way in the bottom. But I can't see the mirror.
It's in there.
Where'd it go?
What did you do? You drop it? What the hell? No, I didn't.
That's
it
not
didn't
it.
fall out.
That's not it. It's right here. Okay. Yeah.
Okay. Chill. Oh yeah, bro. Oh yeah, got yeah. Okay.
I have to change it.
You have to change what?
Like you said, start on the bottom.
Did you
and then top.
get that other one starting to tighten?
Yes. I don't want to tighten it some more.
Very good. Now use the ratchet wrench and go to the other one until it starts getting just snug.
Okay.
Yeah,
It's hard to get out.
I know. It's hard to get out, it's hard to get in. Wendy, you know you're doing this for all the females out there, right?
I'm doing this for myself. Fuck everyone else. This is my fucking car.
That's my fam.
It's literally.
It's a fucking pain in the ass, ain't it?
Yeah, but that's why I'm like, yeah, I'd rather do it myself than have somebody else do it, because they'll fuck your shit up. I'm like burning up because it's so difficult and it gets hot.
Imagine if you're on the side of the road and you just got done driving this thing for 30 miles. And you got to replace it.
I know, right?
One, you're gonna know what to do. Two, it's gonna be hot as fuck and you can't lay your arms all over that.
Well, I can always wait. One piece of shit. It's not leaking. It's not leaking.
Good job, Wendy.
Yay!
It's alive. How happy are you, Wendy?
Look how beautiful it is.
Wendy, how happy are you?
Very happy.
You did it for the car girls.
What? No, for me.